That was epic.
Huh?
That was epic.
Oh,
Look at you, Parkbuster.
knock that out.
Did you notice there was a drop off there?
Huh?
Did you know there was a drop off?
No, not till I hit it.
How's your knee?
Sore. Should be right.
Did you hit the rod?
Yeah. I made it over that first real steep drop off.
Yeah, I was right behind you. I was about to go. I was like, oh, no.
You got Allen keys?
You're in the car, yeah?